everyone! Welcome back to Toy Toy Time! Today is gonna be a video that you guys have been asking me for a long time. You know what video it is today? Let's see if you guys can guess. That's right, it is Everest and Marshall's wedding. It's gonna be such a fun video. I see that Marshall is already here. Hey Marshall, how are you? I'm doing great, Sky. I can't believe today is my big day. It's the day of my wedding. I know we're so happy for you and for Everest. So am I. We're so happy. Are the kids ready? They're gonna be the ring bearer and the flower girls, right? Yes, they're ready. Do you guys want to see the video? Okay, so let's start the wedding video. Mommy, are we gonna start the wedding video now? Yes, Romeo, we're gonna start the video right now. Are you kids ready? We are! Yay! We're so happy! Okay, so here we go. Alright, Marshall, I'm gonna go check on Everest. Maybe she needs help. And I think I better get back to my post. Uncle Marshall, my mommy told me that I have to follow her because we're gonna walk in front of Everest. That's right. Okay, so I'll see you kids in a little bit. Good luck. Thank you. Good luck to you too, Uncle Marshall. Wow, I am so happy that today is finally my big day. Everest must be getting ready. I wonder how she's doing. Oh, there you are, Everest. I was looking for you. How is everything going? Everything is going great, Sky. I am ready to go. Wow, today is my big day. It's my wedding day. I'm so happy. I am happy for you too. Okay, so do you have everything that you need for your wedding day? Something old, something new, something borrowed, and something blue. I do have. Let's check. Okay, something old. I have this veil right here. It's very old. It has been in my family for so many years. Something new. Okay, something new. I have my dress. It's a brand new dress. Great. What about something borrowed? Oh, I borrowed this flower crown from my friend. Oh, wow, it's beautiful, Everest. And what about something blue? I do have these shoes. I'm planning to wear them to the church. I'm going to wear blue shoes. What do you think? Doesn't it look great? It does. It looks amazing. Okay, so put your shoes on and let's get ready. I will go and help you with your dress. Thanks, friend. Oh, you're very welcome. Wow, everybody's here today. I think it's time for us to go inside the church. All right, guys. Let's go watch the beautiful wedding. I can't believe today is Everest and Marshall's big day. I am so happy for them. Me too. Alright, so let's go watch the wedding. It's gonna be beautiful, I can tell. I want to sit on the first row. Me too, I want to sit on the first row. And I want to sit on the second row. Wow, this is so exciting. All my friends are here. It must be almost time. Where is Everest? She's taking such a long time. I'm starting to get worried. It's almost time for Everest to walk down the aisle. Everest, where are you? We're all waiting over here. All our friends are here at the church waiting for you. There are the puppies. They are all wearing matching outfits. They look so adorable. I can't believe there is Everest. There she is. Her wedding dress looks amazing. I bet you guys can't wait to see her beautiful wedding gown. Okay, the wedding is about to start.
I'm the ring bearer. I have to be very careful. I don't want to drop the ring as I'm walking down the aisle. And now, here we go. I think I have to stop and wait for all my siblings because they're gonna follow me. I'm gonna stop here. I know that Grace, Derek, Lila, and Romeo are following me because we are also in the wedding party. Now we go all the way to Marshall, and then Everest is gonna enter the church. Can't wait to see her beautiful gown. Can't wait to see her. There she is. Wow, she looks so amazing and so happy. Get ready, everyone. Here comes the bride.
Today is my very special day. I can't believe I'm walking down the aisle. I have to be very careful because everybody is looking at me. And this dress is so big, I can barely walk in them. Wow, everybody's here at the church today. And look, there is Marshall waiting for me. Oh, there are the rings. Nico is holding all the rings on top of the pillow. I am so happy that today is my wedding day. Today is a big day. It's the big day that Everest and Marshall will get married. So now we need the rings. Who is the ring bearer? I am. So join us now and you will give one ring to Marshall and one ring to Everest. Here he goes. And now I pronounce Everest and Marshall husband and wife. Congratulations! Wow! What a beautiful wedding ceremony! But there is more to Everest and Marshall's wedding. We still have to go to the party. And also, Everest and Marshall will walk out of the church and have a shower of rice. So let's go, guys. Let's see what's gonna happen. Wow, I can't believe we're finally married. And now I wonder if they're gonna toss some rice when we exit the church. Did you bring the rice, Marshall? No, I didn't, but maybe Sky did. Alright, we'll soon find out. Of course I brought the rice, Everest. I was just joking with you, and I gave it to Sky. And as you can see, she gave the rice to everybody. Wow, this is so much fun. Oh, Marshall, you totally got me on this one. Congratulations, Marshall. I'm very happy for you and Everest. Wow, your party is amazing. We're having so much fun. Thanks, Ryder. I'm glad to see all my friends here too. And look, everybody's dancing. Hey, let's go dance. I love the music this DJ is playing. This music is so much fun. And this party is so much fun too. Yeah, it's the best wedding ever. This wedding party is amazing. Marshall and Everest had a beautiful wedding. Max, now I wonder if our wedding is gonna be next. Kids, isn't this wedding party so much fun? I know, I couldn't wait to bring you guys to the wedding party. It is a lot of fun. Now let's dance. And guys, you think the party is fun? Wait until I start cutting the cake. It's gonna get even funner. Let's cut the wedding cake. Marshall, where are you? Oh guys, I think I have to go. It's time to cut the wedding cake. Alright guys, so now it's time to cut the wedding cake and also to finish enjoying this wonderful wedding party that we had. I hope you guys had lots of fun. Leave us a comment and let us know how you liked the wedding of Everest and Marshall. And if you are our channel's biggest fan, hurry up and subscribe to our channel. Also, hurry up and give us a thumbs up and share our video to all of your friends. So I'll see you guys on our next adventure. Thanks for watching. Toy Toy Time. Subscribe.